afternoon, students. I hope that all of you are stay safe at your home and take care all of you. Today I will discuss about the first chapter of the Standard 4 class from Brush Up Your English. Before we go to the story, I want to declare a notice that in our PDF we have wrongly written the name of the first chapter as introduction. What is wrong there? It should be the story time. So please, if you got that PDF file, you must be corrected. Now we go to the story. Here I tell you the story as a gist, not as proper reading and all that things. So I start this lessons. Here we can see a picture of a grandmother and her granddaughter. Grandmother says, "Today I will tell you the story of the cows and the lion." Granddaughter says, "Is this a moral story?" Grandmother, "Yes, this is a moral story." Moral story means from which we can learn some important things what we can follow in our regular life, which can give ourselves the positive attitude in our life. Simmi. The name of her granddaughter is Simmi. Okay, grandmother. Once upon a time there lived 4 cows in a jungle. Every day they used to graze together in a field. They were good friends. Simmi. Nobody stopped them from grazing. Grandmother. No. One day a lion saw them grazing together. Simmi. What did the lion do then? So up to this, we know that there were some cows who were very good friends and they always helped each other and grazing together in the field. One day a lion saw them and wanted to kill them. Grandmother. The lion wanted to eat them, so he went to catch them. Simmi. What happened then? Did he kill them? Grandmother. When the cows saw the lion, all of them fought with him. The lion had to run away. Simmi. So, what's the moral? Grandmother. The story is not finished yet, Simmi. Simmi. Then, what happened next? Grandmother. After a few days, cows quarreled and started grazing separately. Grazing means they eating the grass separately. Simmi. They were separate, so the lion was able to kill them easily. Grandmother. So the moral of the story is unity is strength. Simmi. Okay, I got it, Grandmom. Together we are stronger. Yes, my child. It's a simple story of the 4 cows and the lion. So when the lion saw the cows and wanted to eat them, but he could not do that because of their unity. One day, when the cows were separated from each other and quarreled with each other and grazing separately, the lion was able to kill them easily, one by one. Now, here the storyteller, the grandmother, said her granddaughter Simmi this story to tell her that our strength is being live in togetherness. Means united we stand, but divided we can fall. So in our life we always help each other and live together. If we are united, nobody can harm us. When any trouble comes in your life, you can easily fight with this problem. So this is the main motto of this story. I hope that according to the reading of these lessons and the descriptions of the storytelling, you can understand it carefully. If they have any problem to understand, you please comment on the box. Now, this is some questions from in the exercise, and there are very common questions Like that, how many friends do you have in your school? And recall any incident. Recall means remember any incident when your friend stood by you in a time of difficulty. And do you trust your friends? What will you do if your friend meets with an accident in front of your eyes while going to school? These questions are for your own knowledge, own experiments, and you have to write or think about the answers by yourselves. These are the very common questions, and it can easily happen with us each and every day. But instead of all these things, instead of all these questions, you must be read carefully to this story and understand this story and go through the each of the sentences and each of the word properly and remember it. So like that, I just want to discuss some question answers from this text. That where did the cows live? According to the story, we can see the cows lived in the jungle. Now what did they do there? They used to graze together in the field there. What happened to the cows at last? At last the cows separated from each other and the lion ate them easily. And what is the moral of the story? Then the unity is strength. So these are the like of the questions, and you can easily give the answers from there. Now this is your duty. You have to read carefully, understand it, and follow the motto of this story. In our life, it's very important, and it can help us in our future. So thank you, students. Hope you can understand and hope for the best.